You could try to mask the smell with inserts, use antibacterial soap on your feet or avoid using the same pair of running shoes too often, but Panasonic has another option, the MS-DS100 shoe deodorizer. When the MS-DS100 is installed and turned on, the device starts generating ion particles containing 6 outlet hydroxyl radicals in the removable caps and begins to flood the shoe from the heel to the feet. The device of 170 x 92 x 246 mm 6.7 x 3.6 x 9.7 in does not hurry precisely through the deodorization cycles. A normal mode takes 5 hours to eliminate pungent odors, while the 7-hour-long mode is used as a kind of deep cleaning cycle to eliminate persistent odors. Either way, Panasonic suggests that users set the MS-DS100 up and running before going to bed, so they can wake up with a pair of fresh shoes the next morning. The unit has an integrated battery for use away from a wall outlet,